about to do this floor and put y'all on. Me and the main and the killer Casey in this condo. Boom. Main in the building. You see main. This bitch about to be black. Watch this shit, ain't it, man?
Oh yeah.
We're in a little condo.
First all black.
Yeah, I never did an all black floor. That shit gonna be dope. Word up. Let me show you the rest of the shit, but we ain't gonna do all this shit today, so. All this gonna be black. All this shit. Case upstairs. But that'll be another video. Today we doing this video. Fuck that. You're down here first, nigga. Get back to me. It's hot than a motherfucker. Free one? You upgrade unit?
Yeah.
Boom. Told y'all the floor gonna be fucking black. What you talking about? You heard? Blacker than a bitch. If you ain't already did it, like, comment, fucking subscribe, you heard? Fuck wrong with you? Boom. Gonna work our way in this motherfucker. And then boom. You heard?
I might never finish knowing his life.
Oh shit.
Fuck, man.
Black floors. It's hot as fuck. Turn up this salt. There you go, queso. Now you're thinking. Yeah, well, one of them mine. I think Matt got mine upstairs. Here. Hold on to that, Case. It's yours. You cut a piece more. Oh. Well, let's get the fuck out of here. It's gonna go. Yeah, fuck that piece. Do it tomorrow. Yeah, that bitch right there. Let's get your shit. Get my piece where. Quitting time, unit. Here we go. This how me and Maine do. You see it? You see the fucking unit. Tell them. You see the fucking work? Woo, look at them floors. A tub going there. Don't get in the comments and when you run to the wall. It's a fucking tub going there. Boom. Beauty is her name. You know what I mean? She's gonna go from snap to snap.
Yes, sir.
Boom. Every room.
About to do it.
Let's go.
You
see it? That's how we do it. It's all set up here. We all set. Turn these lights off. Window closed.